So today I am looking at New Zealand USD 4 hours time frame. Want to see the opportunity that is in this very currency pair. So some couple of days back we saw that this pair was rejected at this trend line, and that we're having a double top formation at this very point, and the neck region was at this point and it has been broken sometime last week. However, we are seeing price rally back into this very area, so that is presenting us a very good opportunity to short. So when we have deep rally like this, it presents an opportunity to short. So I'll be looking for short opportunities just above this very area, and I'll be joining the bears to this very point and ultimately to the bottom of this triangle. The height of this double top chart formation is the equivalent distance that this market will move from this very neck region where it has been broken, and that height is the same as this point where I have marked the blue line. So I'm expecting the market to drop from any moment from above here to drop down to this very point and ultimately to the support of this triangle. So it's an opportunity that you can take advantage of. So I wish you the best of trading. Do have a great day.